Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside today's video I'm taking you through a step-by-step tutorial of how to trade crypto with the BitBNS Android app. Now in my previous video I showed you how you can go ahead and trade crypto on the website of bitbns.com, and in the previous video to that I shared with you the pros and cons of BitBNS. So I hope you've checked out that video. If you have not, I'll leave the link for them in the description below. You can go ahead and check them out. I highly recommend you check out my previous videos so that you'll have a better understanding of the tutorial that we go through the app today. So the first thing you would have to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for BitBNS and go ahead and install the app. Now I've already installed the app on my phone, so I'll go ahead and click on open, and that will go ahead and take me to the BitBNS app. Now you should already have your KYC verified and your bank linked, and once you do that and once you log into your BitBNS Android app for the first time, it will ask you to set up your PIN. I'm not sure if you have a fingerprint phone. I'm not sure how it works there because I don't have a fingerprint phone here, so I have set up my PIN. If you have a fingerprint authentication on your phone, I think the fingerprint authentication might work. I would definitely love to know if you're using a fingerprint phone and using BitBNS. Please let me know if that works, and it'll help our users as well. So I'll go ahead and enter the PIN here quickly. So once you enter your PIN, you will go ahead and get access to the BitBNS app of your account. And the one thing I love about BitBNS is that its app version is very similar to the web interface. So if you are used to the web interface, if you're trading on BitBNS on the website, the app experience is very much similar. So you basically have the same cryptos on the top listed, and whenever you tap on a particular crypto, you get all the corresponding information like the graph, like the buy and sell orders and the executed orders. All the information is listed under the crypto, and below on the bottom you have the dashboard where you have this home screen of all the cryptos where you get the information of the trade. Next you have a separate tab only for trade where you can go ahead and trade based on the crypto. Now once you select trade, you might have to again on the top select your particular crypto, and only then that particular crypto is listed and you can go ahead and trade. You can, as you can see here, it says XRP here, so that means Ripple is selected. When you change it to Ethereum, it says ETH, and similarly you can check out the other cryptos as well. The next tab on the bottom is the wallet where you can go ahead and check out your balances. Now in my previous video I traded some Stellar, as you can see here, and I had some Ripple balance, so that's clearly listed here. And I have no funds in my INR wallet at the moment, and I can also go ahead and see the INR withdrawal history, the crypto withdrawal history. If I click on the drop down, I can see the cryptos and also the trade history of all the cryptos. And if I select a particular crypto, I can check out all the trades that I have done on that particular crypto. You can also go ahead and deposit crypto from other exchanges or from your personal private wallet onto your BitBNS wallet as well through the app. All you have to do is click on this option which says deposit, and you will get a QR code and address. All you have to do is copy paste this address on your exchange, or scan your open your private personal wallet and scan this particular QR code, and you should be able to send your crypto into your BitBNS wallet. And if you want to withdraw a crypto from your BitBNS wallet to other exchanges or onto your personal private wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this option which says withdraw, and enter the wallet address of the wallet where you want to withdraw your crypto, and enter all the necessary information and volume, and you should be able to go ahead and withdraw it. So that's basically the app store. Of course, you have the profile on the bottom right, where you get your profile information like your name, your email, your bank account link, etc. So let me quickly go back to the home screen, and in this video I'll show you a tutorial on how to trade Ripple. My previous video I showed you how to trade Stellar. So the first thing we'd have to do is we'll have to go ahead and deposit some funds into my BitBNS account. In order to do that, I'll have to go to this option which says wallet and scroll down to INR wallet and click on add money to wallet. Once I do that, I'll get the options like UPI, NEFT and RTGS. As I already mentioned, UPI is the instant and the quickest method to deposit your funds to BitBNS. So I'll use the same one. I'll go ahead and click on UPI, and I already have added BitBNS account in my UPI app. So I'll just go ahead and quickly transfer some funds and come back. So went ahead and added the funds. Now let me quickly go back and check my wallet to see if it's credited. Let me go ahead and refresh this, and there you have it. I can see the balance listed here. Now one thing I've noticed here is when I go to the UPI option, I don't have the option of claiming my deposit that is there on the web interface. Now in case I transfer the funds from my UPI app to BitBNS, and I try and refresh and see if the balance is credited to my INR wallet. In case it hasn't, I can't go anywhere on the app and enter the UPI reference ID to claim my deposit. So that is something I think BitBNS should look into, give an option to claim the deposit even on the app. So there you have it. I have my INR balance here in the wallet. Now let me quickly go back to the dashboard, and like the web interface, the same way you have the buy orders and the sell orders, where you have the volume that a buyer is ready to buy and at what price is he ready to buy each Ripple here. Same way seller, the volume and at what price the seller is ready to sell the Ripple for. And also if you scroll down, you have the executed trades, what volumes were traded at what price. So I'll go ahead and click on this option which says buy, or you can also go to the option which says trade and do it as well. So I'll just click on this option which says buy here, and I'll go ahead and enter the volume that I would like to purchase here. So in this case I can go ahead and purchase somewhere around 17 Ripples. So at the moment I enter the Ripple, it will automatically calculate based on the lowest selling price, so that is 62.5. it automatically picked that up, and it gave me the total breakup including the fees. So the trade fee is 0.25%, so it's added it, so that is 2 rupees and 66 paise. So I might have to reduce either my volume or either the price. So what happens if I reduce the price is it will go ahead and come under the buy orders, which will be a limit buy. So it will sit here till the time there is a corresponding seller who is ready to sell Ripple at the same price that I want to buy. So until then it's going to go ahead and sit here in the buy orders section. So I would not like to do that. I would like to go ahead and instantly make an order. So I will reduce the volume to somewhere around 16, and even then the volume or the balance is not enough, so I'll go ahead and further reduce it to somewhere around 15.9. I think that should do fine. So once you have entered and everything, and once you have verified everything's correct, go ahead and click on the buy button, and it will ask you to confirm the order. So go ahead and click on confirm, and there you have it. It says successfully placed bid to purchase currency. So I'll quickly go to my wallet now and check my Ripple balance. So I'll go ahead and refresh this. As you can see there, the Ripple balance just got updated. to the latest one, I can go ahead and scroll down and click on the trade history and select Ripple as well, and I can see my Ripple being executed there for the price I wanted. So that is basically how you go ahead and trade crypto on the BitBNS app, guys. So I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding how to trade crypto on the go when you're traveling or you don't have access to your computer. You can still go ahead and trade crypto on the BitBNS app. I personally love this app very much because it's very neatly made. It has a very good interface, very user friendly, and it has the instant payment options as well. So go ahead and check it out if you have not already, and if you have any questions in regards to BitBNS, anything from KYC to order on the web interface or the app, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I would love to read your questions and answer them. And if you like this video, please go ahead and share it with your friends and give me a like, and also subscribe and hit the bell button as well. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.